This is Doc Mountain and I want to show you how you can actually do the tasks on Meyo, where you can actually locate them so that you know what is expected of you on a daily basis. In most cases, when you're on Meyo, it becomes very difficult to know what is expected of you, the tasks to do. And what makes it even pretty difficult to learn Meyo is that the vast majority of people are there are Arabic speaking people, and most of them can't actually communicate in English. They labor when it comes to communicating in English. So it's very difficult to learn Meyo. Others who are able to communicate in English are not friendly. So now let me show you where you can find the activities or the tasks of the day. Okay, so what you do is the moment you log in, I will show you the personal tasks, those that you're expected to do. So now when you click the bottom right corner tab, that is the profile tab, you click where it says Task Center, here just right below income. Okay, so you click Task Center. Okay, beautiful, and we are in. You can play Crystal PK. So now where do you find Crystal PK? Let me do this one by one, step by step. So Crystal PK, let me show you where it is. Mostly you're able to see this when you kickstart. When you kickstart a party, even when you happen to join a family party. So here we go. I'm gonna open the family party. Then click here where it says messages. Now check at the bottom here. There is somewhere where you are able to see a blue icon, more like that of a globe. That's where you click. That's Crystal PK. Then again, when you are live or when you're hosting a party, there's somewhere where you have to click, but I'm not gonna show you that. I'll show you that in the next video. So that's how you do the Crystal PK. Then again, let's check on the tasks. Okay, so you complete your profile. Mostly this is for those who are joining Meyo for the first time. A stamp. This one mostly can only be done if you happen to initiate an event. So like this, when you belong to a family, you click in the top left corner where there is that there's a corn, or that icon that looks very much like a carrot. So when you click there, a number of events will actually be opened, and that's where you choose from. So now click the plus button in the top right corner there. So now you can actually host a party. It could be a birthday, a challenge, crocodile, photo auction, a cupid, mention them, a wedding. So when you click wedding, you need to choose a partner here, spouse. So I can click on this one here, and then you post in the group. So now the person who will see this will have to endorse what you have actually posted. It's like they're in solidarity with what you have posted. So that's how it is. That's how it is. So with this one, you have to host a party, and there should be a sponsor. That's how you obtain a stamp. You know what I'm saying? Then complete a profile. I did this. Mostly this is done when you just join Meyo. Then playing PK. PKs are normally initiated when you're hosting a party, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, I can actually kickstart a party and then just show you how you do that. But yeah, mostly this is initiated from a party. When you're hosting a party or when you've gone live. When you go live, you can actually initiate a PK. Then daily sign in. When you're signing in every day, you'll be earning those goals. Invite friends. When you keep on inviting friends, where do you invite them from? Let me show you here on top here, just right below income. Simply click there and then you go where it says share. And when people join in, they have to make sure that they enter your invitation code. So those are the tasks. There we go. And send a gift in a family. Make video calls. When you do that, you earn big time. Answer video calls. When you answer a video call, you happen to walk away with diamonds. And normally diamonds are the ones that are converted into money. So now what else? Let me show you. You can also watch ads. When you click here, a video will get kickstarted. When you watch, you will earn some golds. Then by 5-star rating, you also walk away with 10 golds. Mostly this is done when you just join Meyo. Now let me show you. The monthly pass here shows the tasks. There's what we call monthly pass, the one that you can actually pay for. And these are the rewards. When you pay for it, you happen to walk away with many tasks that actually leave you with enriched, those that leave you with rich rewards. Those are the ones that are on the left. So this one, let me show you. Activate. Let me click where it says activate. It's only $4.99, also approximately $5. When you happen to activate this one, these are the tasks. You will have richer tasks that will be giving you more golds. So you see all those 28 against 5, 32, 72, 96. You see this is beautiful. And then on the right, those are free tasks. So now you can check what is expected of you. Click what says task, and you say in a dice game, bet big and win for 2 times, 20 points. Send 2 airdrop gift, 20 points. Oh, I haven't been able to send this. Then in turntable, bet on red and win once, 20 points. Sign in a family, so I've signed in twice. Post 10 moments. I've actually posted 3 so far. Follow 10 users. Get 20,000 steps in Meyo exercise. In the wedding event, send gift, and that gift should be 100 golds. You walk away with 50 points. Send family birthday gift once. Okay. Win crystal in the wedding event. So the tasks go on and go on and go on and go on. So recharge 2 times. Play 7-7 game. You'll see this one. Obtain best friend stamp. That's the one I just talked about. Sign in family 6 times. You walk away with 100 points. So these are personal tasks that you have to be doing. So let me take you to the family. Let me take you to the family and show you the family tasks. So here we go. Elisha's empire. Okay, beautiful. We are in. So now in the top right corner, there's something like a house. Now right below that, that's where you have to click. So let's check the family tasks. The family tasks. So I'm gonna click on task so that we're able to check out the tasks. So send 1 gift to the member whose birth month is the same as your own. Then participate in family recharge. And then in the family, receive 1 gifted microphone. Sit. So you see all that? Send 1 gift to members whose age difference is at least 5 years from your own for a total of 5 days. Sign up for 4 sponsored family events. Receive 100 gold coins. So those are the tasks. So this is where you happen to locate them. And there's so many tasks. So now, without knowledge, people perish. It is very difficult to make money on Meyo if you don't know what is expected of you. So this is how you make money on Meyo. When you're doing all those tasks, you will find that you will be making money. Friends, thank you so much for watching. For more videos that are yet to come, make sure that you're subscribed and you've turned on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to post a video, you are alerted. Make sure you also share with other people.